Gracie. Come on, Gracie. Let's go inside, sweetie. Time to go inside. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, Orange. Let's go inside, Orangey boy. Orange, come on. Let's go inside. Come on, big boy. Come on, Orangey. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, big boy. Come on. Come on, Whopper. Good girl. Good Gracie. Good girl. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Good girl. Come here, babies. Y'all so good kitties. Come here, Gracie. Come here, sweetie. Oh, let's see, you can go get her lovey-dovey. Good kitties, yes. Tiger, come on, sweetie. Let's go inside. Come on, sweetie. Let's go inside. You gonna be a good girl and go inside? Come on, Tiger. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, sweetie. Come on, Tiger. Well, there's always one in every family. Come on, sweetie. Let's go inside. Come on. You ready to go inside? You don't want to go inside. Yeah, she doesn't want to go inside. So very rarely she'll go inside. She's not as cooperational as the other two.